Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Tesla Model Y and we're going to do the Taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. The link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So we're going to need two different solutions in order to prep the lens. Our first solution is Slip Solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And our second solution is Tack Solution, which contains distilled water with isopropyl alcohol. So for our first solution, we're going to use our Slip Solution. For this one, spray it onto your clean microfiber towel. And just make sure you wipe off any contaminants that the taillight may have. So flip your microfiber towel around to a clean side. Now grab your Tack Solution and spray it onto your towel once more. And what this does, it helps remove any hard contaminants that the lens may have, like any wax, oils, or any coating. Okay, so now that we finished with the prep, now we'll start with the installation. So for the first installation, piece number one, it covers the face here of the taillight. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and to the heat side of the film. And all we need to do is just make sure we align the film on this edge right here. So have it aligned up to the body line right here. And everything else should fall into place like this. So now we need to secure this spot right here. So to secure it, lift the film carefully, apply Tack Solution underneath, make sure it stays aligned, and then spray it on top. Hold it, grab your squeegee, and tack it down. If you encounter this finger here, we're just going to carefully lift the top section and readjust the film. That way we don't crease the finger that we have in this section here. Just take your time doing this process. Slowly remove all the solution underneath the film. And now you can just work your way to the top and the bottom section, and then once we're done, we'll apply heat here to help it tack down to the curve of the taillight. So just lift it carefully around this area, apply Slip Solution, keep it aligned. And something to keep in mind, the tint is only covering the clear section of the taillight, so it doesn't cover the black section here that's already colored. So it's only for the clear section. So make sure the clear section is covered. Lift the film carefully, apply Tack Solution, make sure everything stays aligned. Grab your squeegee and start tacking it down slowly. Okay, and now just finish off the top as well. Make sure you're covering the clear section. So lift it carefully, apply Slip Solution, place it back down. That way we align it and adjust it to the front face here of the taillight. So before we move on to the next piece, we need to make sure that the top area here is tacked down and sealed. As you can see, the film is lifting. And also we tack down this section here of the curve because the film will be lifting and you need to apply a little bit of heat to help it tack down. So to tack it down, just apply Tack Solution. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer for this part. Use the low setting and just apply heat. That way we're able to tack down the top and this curve here. So once you apply heat, grab your microfiber towel, start tacking it down slowly. Start from the curve here and then work your way to the edges. So apply heat and just tack it down with microfiber towel. For the curve area here, apply a little bit of heat. Once you apply heat, grab your microfiber towel and just apply a little bit of pressure. That way the film starts tacking down to the curve. Hold it for a couple seconds and you should be good. Okay, so now we're moving on to this piece here. Just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we have to do is just make sure this entire section here is aligned. Make sure this clear section is being covered. So right there should be good. Everything stays aligned. Top is good. Bottom is good. Once you align it, grab your tack solution, spray it on top and underneath the film. Grab your squeegee and tack it down slowly. This one, you don't need to do a lot of stretching. It's just more of aligning the film, tacking it down and making sure it just covers this top area here. Once you're done, just to help it tack down faster, apply heat to seal the edges. Same process, use your microfiber towel to tack everything down to help remove any fingers. And we should be good. Okay, so for the charging port here, the tint that covers here, make sure to have this in car wash mode. That way the port doesn't lift for the driver's side. So with this one, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And it's pretty easy. It's just more of aligning the film on the edge to align it here, and everything else should fall into place. Just apply a little bit of tack solution. Make sure it stays aligned. Grab your squeegee and tack it down. Just make sure to go slow. Remove all the solution underneath the film and we should be good. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the Taillight tint is to pulse heat the entire film. So just apply tack solution to the lens, and we're going to use a heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer, and we're going to use a microfiber towel. So as we're applying heat throughout the entire Taillight, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help tack down the film. That way we help remove any solution around the edges and also helping tacking down any fingers that may pop up as we're applying heat. So use the lowest setting for this part, and as you're applying heat, take your time, tack it down, and once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the Tesla Model Y. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.